Hello everybody, my name is Miss Nicole and I am a children's librarian with the Grundy Library. Welcome to Craft Time Fun. Today's video we're going to be doing a fun Valentine's Day themed craft and I hope you are excited to join us. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so you're going to need a white piece of paper, a piece of red cardstock or thicker red paper, yellow construction paper and pink construction paper, though those colors could be any choice that you like, some scissors, a pencil, and some stick glue. First, you're going to take your hand or your little one's hand and trace it onto the white piece of paper. Next, you're going to have them cut out the hand, so you can either do this for them or encourage them to try this on their own so that they're building up some of their scissor skills. It's also a great way to build up some fine motor skills, getting their hands muscles starting to build up for when they start doing this in school or writing as well. Now this is actually going to be our beard for our gnome. So you're going to want to take your red cardstock and either fold it in half if your beard is small enough, mine was not, or just leave it straight out so you can glue your beard down to the bottom. So this is going to go at the lower end of the card or the lower end of the cardstock if it's full out. Then you're going to take your pink construction paper, whatever color you chose, to draw a small circle. This is going to be the nose for the gnome. So you're going to want to cut that out as well. And then you're going to use your stick glue and you're going to glue it right to the center of the hand. So I know it's an unusual spot, but you'll see what I mean on why it has to be there in just a minute. So here I am with the stick glue, going to glue it right to the center of the hand, and then I'm going to take my yellow construction paper, measure out how wide the base of my hand is, and I'm going to draw my little gnome cap, and then I'm going to take the scissors and cut those out as well. So this is going to be the kind of hat that you see gnomes wear, and we're going to glue that down right on top, just above the nose, or kind of like layered a little bit over the nose to kind of give you that gnome effect. So again, I'm using my stick glue here. All right, so we're just going to take that and place it right over the nose there to create our gnome cap, and that basically finishes our gnome, and now it's time to decorate. You're going to take your pink construction paper or whatever construction paper color you chose, and you're going to draw different hearts all around it. Make sure they're different sizes, some large, some medium, some small. Then you're going to cut them out and place them where you want them on the hat, where you want them around the card or around the sheet of the cardstock. Then you're going to take your stick glue and glue them down, adhere them to where you want, and that is our Valentine's Day gnome. I hope you enjoyed this craft, and I had a lot of fun making it with you. Awesome. I hope you guys had such a great time doing that fun craft with me. I had a lot of fun making our little gnomes with the hearts on it. Obviously my hand is a little too big to make it into a card, but if your little one's is small enough, it would be a great cute little Valentine's Day craft card gift. Obviously this way is fine just as well. You can hang it up somewhere. For more craft time videos and other library programming, please visit our website at www.grundylibrary.org or check out our social media pages. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to see you for our next Craft Time Fun. Bye!